beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If you're just tuning in for the first time, please subscribe and share, and for returning subscribers, I love you all so much. So here is the look we're going to be doing today, and the look by my right was gotten from Instagram. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to subscribe, share, and thumbs me up. I love you all so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 4 pleats before placing this gele on my head. So I'm just going to place the pleats on my head, the gele, and I'm going to make sure that I trace these pleats towards my neck area, and then I'm going to make sure that I cross this hands of my gele across each other, and then bring them towards the front. So the rule for this particular gele is 60-40. One hand of the gele has to really be longer than the other hand of the gele. I'm so sorry guys, the reflection on this gele is so much, but I do hope that you're able to see what I'm trying to portray in this video. I'm going to try my best to make sure that my pleats comes out and you see what I am doing. So all I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make some pleats with the 60 parts of my gele. This gele is not difficult at all to achieve. It is not difficult at all. If you take your time and follow the steps that I'm showing you, it's going to really be easy. And guys, at the beginning of this video, I put in some of my works, some of the geles that I've tied, and I do hope that you enjoy. I feel like you're going to love some of them. So if you've not watched any, please do that. I'm going to link some of those videos under this particular video, so please subscribe and share if it helps you in any way. So I just took that 60 parts of my gele and pinned it so that I'll be able to do the other part of my gele, which is the 40 parts of my gele. So all I'm trying to do right now is just to make some pleats the same way I did with the other hand of my gele. While doing this, you have to make sure that your pleats are not too far off from each other, and you have to make sure that they are neat and well made. So after doing that, I'm just going to remove the pin I put at the 60 part of my gele, and then I'm going to knot my gele. You have to really be careful. You have to really be careful so that your gele does not unravel. So at every step where you tie your gele, you have to make sure that you support your gele properly so that everything does not unravel. So after knotting my gele, I'm going to take one hand of my gele and make straight pleats the way you can see me do in this video. And then after doing that, I'm just going to take it round and form a rose with what I'm holding. So I'm just spinning my gele to make sure that it is secured and it does not unravel. So you can also make your own gele in a leaf-like form like this. I'm just going to go through the same process with the other hand of my gele. Now the trick is, when tying this particular gele, you have to make sure that the leaves which you formed stay at opposite direction towards one another. So one leaf faces this way and the other leaf faces another way. So all I'm trying to do now is to adjust my gele to make sure that it fits properly and I'm comfortable with it, and then I'm good to go. I love you all so much. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't fail to thumbs me up. And here is what the back of the gele should look like. I'm just going to go back and adjust it properly. I can't wait to see you all in my next video, which is next week. I love you all so much. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.